Yes, they certainly did because, you know, again, getting back to my original expectations, I didn't know I had any expectations. You know, wasn't really sure there was a market that anybody would even be interested in buying the firm. And, you know, that process could not have worked out any more perfectly than it has. The buyer that you brought to me, she and I have had just a wonderful relationship with each other. It's worked out perfectly. You know, anytime you get into a business relationship like that, you don't, you know, you can talk to people and interview people all day long, but you don't really know how it's going to be till you start working together. And it's just been a perfect relationship. Don't have any qualms or reservations about what happened at all. So.